Hello everybody. I am doing a very quick tip today. All week I've been getting ready for new tenants to come in. I am back in one of my rental cottages by the beach, and this one has its own private little garden with banana trees, with passion fruits. Let me show you guys. The passion fruit flowers are out in full bloom. I dressed everything with beautiful cafe lights so they'll turn on at night. And these banana trees are doing so well. Many of them were transplanted from my parents' home, so they have sentimental value and they're very, very, very strong. And then one thing that I was so happy about, I had transplanted many years ago, like actually 6 years ago, these white birds of paradise. And it's been many years and there have been no blooms except for this season. The white bird of paradise came out this season. Isn't that beautiful? But it took a few years. My previous tenant, she just moved out, nurtured this garden so well that a mama hummingbird laid her eggs right over here. I put this mirror in a long time ago when I first renovated this cottage. I'm just so happy that there's a little reflection in this small little garden. I upgraded the planters that were in this garden to something that was taller and a little bit longer. I wanted to trick the eye into thinking that the garden was a little bit larger and grander than it really is. I chose two different kinds of plants for the planters. The first one was the Blue Dart Rush Ornamental Grass. I love the way it waves in the wind and it feels very beachy. And I love pairing it with the grayish color of the Variegated Society Garlic plant. I was told that the purple flowers will bloom for pretty much the whole year in our area. I decided to plant everything in individual terracotta pots because in case something doesn't do well, I can just swap that out. And in case one of the plants needs different fertilizer or different watering requirements, I thought that individual pots were best. I got one here. I like the way this is looking so far. Thank you for watching Nutshell Living. I love spending this time with you. I'll see you next time. Bye.